Hi everyone, myself M. Chandrapratap Reddy from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, studying in BTech second year in Srinivas Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today we are discussing about hibiscus plant. Hibiscus Garden Initiative, cultivating knowledge and sustainability. The Hibiscus Garden Initiative aims to establish a dedicated campus garden showcasing the diversity and beauty of hibiscus plants. This living laboratory will enrich botany, education and poster research while promoting sustainable and environmental awareness. Introduction to the value of a campus hibiscus garden. Hands-on learning provides botany students with unique opportunity to observe and study hibiscus plants up close. Research potential enables faculty and students to explore the diverse adaptations and ecosystem services of hibiscus species. Campus beautification enhances the aesthetic appeal of the campus with vibrant tropical inspired plantings. Objectives enhancing botany education and research. Educational objectives provide hands-on learning opportunities for botany students to study plant morphology, taxonomy, and adaptations. Incorporate the garden into course curricula and encourage student-led research projects. Research objectives investigate the ecological and economical benefits of hibiscus species, such as their role in pollination, soil conservation, and potential medical properties. Explore the genetic diversity and breeding potential of different hibiscus cultivators. Site selection optimizing the garden location. Sunlight exposure. Choose a site that receives ample sunlight to support the vibrant growth of hibiscus plant. Soil conditions. Ensure the soil is well being drained and nutrient rich to meet the specific needs of hibiscus species. Accessibility. Select a location that is easily accessible for students, faculty, and the broader campus community. Hibiscus species, diversity and adaptability. Tropical varieties. Showcase a range of tropical hibiscus species such as the plant gained hibiscus and the Chinese hibiscus, known for their large showy flowers. Medicinal potential. Explore the medicinal and herbal properties of certain hibiscus species which have been used in traditional remedies. Hardy cultivators include hardy hibiscus cultivators that can thrive in cooler climates, allowing for a more diverse plant collection. Ecosystem services highlight the role of hibiscus plants in supporting pollinators and providing habitat for wildlife. Plant care and maintenance ensuring a thriving garden. First one, irrigation and drainage. It is used to implement a robust irrigation system and ensure proper drainage to the meet moisture requirements of hibiscus plants. Second one, pruning and deadheading. regularly prune and plants to promote health growth and remove spent flowers to encourage continued blooming. Pest, third one, pest and disease management. Closely monitor the garden for pests and diseases and employ sustainable, environmentally friendly control methods. Ecosystem services. Exploring the garden role. Pollinators attraction. The vibrant hibiscus flowers will attract a diverse array of pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Soil conservation. The deep root systems of hibiscus plants helps to stabilize the soil and prevent erosion. Carbon sequestration. Hibiscus plants can contribute to the campus carbon footprint reduction that they through the ability to absorb and store atmospheric carbon dioxide. Students' engagement and learning opportunities, internship and research. Offer students internship and research opportunities to study the garden hibiscus plants, collect data and analyze their findings. Encourage collaborative projects that explore the practical applications of the garden resources. Educational programming. Organize guided tours, workshops, and educational events to engage students, faculty, and the broader community in the garden value. Incorporate the garden into relevant course curricula such as botany, ecology, and sustainability studies. Partnerships and funding. Secure support for the initiative. First one, community partnerships. Collaborate with local botanical gardens, environmental organizations, and community groups to share resources and expertise. Second one, corporate sponsorships. Seek funding and in-kind donation from local businesses and corporations interested in supporting sustainable campus initiatives. Third one, grant opportunities. Apply for relevant grants and funding sources to support the development, maintenance, and expansion of the hibiscus garden. Future expansion and outreach, sharing the garden impact, expanding the collection. Continuously explore the addition of new hibiscus species and cultivators to maintain the garden diversity and educational value. Community engagement, host public events, workshops and outreach programs to share the garden significance with the broader community. Sustainable practices. Implement sustainable gardening techniques and promote the garden as a model for environmental stewardship. Regional collaboration. Establish partnerships with their academic institutions and botanical gardens to exchange knowledge and best practices. Thank you.